Self-explanation is a powerful strategy for enhancing learning and retention. By articulating your understanding, you reinforce and deepen your knowledge. Effective methods for using self-explanation include teaching peers. Explaining concepts to classmates or friends helps solidify your own understanding. For example, a student might teach a study group about a complex topic in physics, which reinforces their grasp of the material. Using a study journal. Regularly writing summaries or explanations of what you've learned can clarify your thoughts and identify gaps in understanding. This method helps in tracking your progress and reflecting on what you've mastered. Verbalizing thought processes. Talking through problems or concepts out loud, even to yourself, can reveal insights and reinforce learning. This could involve explaining a math problem step by step while studying alone. Comparing these methods, teaching peers often provides immediate feedback and interaction, which can be more engaging and effective for complex topics. In contrast, using a study journal is a more introspective method that builds a personal record of understanding over time. Success.